Get ready for the dictation. Start. Sir, with regard to the family planning program of the government of India, it is true that our government and our country have been perhaps the pioneers in respect of taking advantage of the World Health Organization expertise and assistance in regard to family planning program, and that in the last several years one cannot ignore some of the good sides of the achievements of the family planning program. Sir, I would like to invite the attention of the government to two aspects of the matter. One is that after having got this experience of some years, more than a decade or two, can we not have some kind of a sustained uniform policy with regard to the various projects and programs of family planning, particularly with regard to two things. One is the assistance that we would like to rope in of the country agencies, because by its very nature this is not something which the government can do. Government can spend money, government can give encouragement, but basically it is a questions of educating the people, educating the illiterate, and educating the people in the countryside, and also taking the maximum possible help from the voluntary social institutions in which a large number of women organizations are also doing a lot of good work. In this regard, the complaint I hear is that the policy of the government in regard to incentives offered is not quite free from faults. Every now and then, different kinds of incentives are tagged on while attracting more people. Then, those incentives are not maintained for a particular period of time, so that certain incentives are withdrawn and certain new incentives are given. The result is that the interest in the program is for the incentives offered rather than for the unlimited objective of controlled and healthy family planning. I would therefore request the government to ensure that the family planning program has a certain sustained outlook, that the incentives are well thought out, and that there is no change every now and then in regard to this or that incentive. Then this should be free from one very serious error. This is not only an error, I would say it is a criminal thing. In the name of operations, a large number of old people children and boys are also booked into the whole thing because they get some extra financial incentive. Stop.